Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to get seed or seed number into your Midjourney. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to get the seed number into your Midjourney, you just simply have to open your Discord app and into there open this Midjourney bot. And after opening the Midjourney bot, you need to generate an image in order to get the seed number. I have already created so many images into Midjourney. I'll try to get seed number for this image right here. In order to get the seed now, just simply tap into the image for a while and then you just simply have to tap into this smiling emoji icon. Then after that, what you have to do is to search for envelope emoji. After that, these many emojis will appear. You just simply have to tap into this first emoji and then it will give you job ID and seed number. This way you can easily get seed into your Midjourney. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.